This gentleman is from the Belize
Uh-huh.
media. This is the principal of KTI, and she has been so gracious in allowing the contingent to come and use the kitchen to prepare Garifuna dishes. So you can interview her later, but I'm just introducing you.
What's your name again, ma'am?
Carolyn Ned.
Carolyn Ned.
Ned.
Nice to meet you. Well, I'm already live, you know. I might think say on live, right? So we're live streaming right now. Can you hold this, please? Let me clip it on you. That's me. Okay. Yes, can we just let's find right there. Good morning, ma'am. How are you
Good
today?
morning. I'm great.
Well, we're glad you're live from Belize. We're live streaming to Belize, Central America, Dangriga, the culture capital. And this is 91.7 FM. I want you all to tune in and share this live this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, we're in our hometown, Eurome. But we're at the Kingston Institute right here with the principal, Miss Ned, Carolyn Ned. All right, so Miss Ned, what is this experience today meant to you?
Well, one of the things I felt honored that our school was selected to be the hub to produce all our traditional Garifuna food. And I'm not sure, I shouldn't say all, some of it. It's just a taste of what our ancestors would have prepared back in the day. And it's really delightful that we could have shared in their experience and observe what they do. And I would really love to see many of these dishes being prepared by our students and also for some of our instructors to pass on the knowledge. I don't want it to end here. I would love to see we continue to collaborate so where we can work together to promote these traditional dishes.
So, Ms. Ned, is this the first time that this type of program, this type of activity, being hosted by the school?
I am not sure if it was the
Is
first
it
time,
your
but
first
it is
experience?
KTI's first time. And we really are happy that they could have reached out to us and we took on the opportunity to host it because I saw the benefits that our students can learn about our culture, our traditional foods, and use them in ways that we are not accustomed to. So I'm really happy that we could have shared in this experience.
What are the reactions from some of the students so far?
Well, I think these students enjoyed the different preparations that they were involved in. And one of the students actually said she learned today that you can put oil into, well, garlic into the oil, and it would actually improve the oil, well, prevent the oil from sputtering. What did you say?
Spotting?
What did you say the oil, Miss come? What did you say the oil, the garlic in the oil will do? It will help the fish to don't stick. Ah, that's it. It will help the fish not to stick in the pan. And that is something she said she learned, and it's something that the first time that I would have heard that. Yes.
You know, all my life I've been preparing this food, but that's something I learned today as well. If you didn't mention it, and I prepared all my life,
Right.
but I didn't know that garlic prevent
The fish from sticking.
To the pan.
Yes.
You know, so in that case, ladies and gentlemen, you don't need no non-stick pot. If you have right, if you have garlic, no non-stick pot is needed in this process. You know, so we learn something every single day. So now, Kingston, now, which one is your favorite so far? Have you tasted any?
I have tasted the green banana dumplings,
Huh.
and it's out of this world. I've never known that green banana could be such a velvety, smooth, melt in your mouth texture. That is how those dumplings were.
Wow.
They were delicious.
Wow. So even better. And ladies and gentlemen, we were looking at all these people, you know, in the kitchen, Garinago people displaying what we do. We got this from here and we're bringing it back to our communities in a very, very organized and special. Look at the hodot passing me. Look at the hodot, ladies and gentlemen. Look at the hodot, right? And that is our staple food. So as a people, we are complete. We have our own food, we have our own clothing, we have our own language, we have everything we have. So now, listen, tell me something now. I know, don't get full by tasting everything. Don't get full by tasting everything, right? So what's the next best one for you?
I haven't tasted anything as yet besides that. So I'm waiting to, sample more.
All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Well, Mr. Nice talking to you. Very, very good conversation about the food. We're gonna be here for a little bit, because I'm just smelling the food, smelling the aroma, making me want to eat right now. All right.
Indeed.
Okay. Thank you very
Thank
much for
you
your time.
for coming as well.
Yes. And ladies and gentlemen, this place is wonderful. We feel at home. Hey, about no free. Top on here. No free. You know me. Magaratin. Ila le pasanyo la babo ko ho ani ko ya.
Bueno, lau sarago pante, serene luwa bure me. Awan ya harufu de ile koigi kai gari na ko. Ibiru dua buga bimina buga wadegi bala lita.
You should be able to check. Oh, bless you. Well. Need to well, who sit na negi gwele. He missioner babo. O habo.
Abiga tua buga la bundiga.
Ai.
Ye hudutu. Hudutu lida buga suweji mule. Bueno, baria ya lipi ya mwadwege. Wege lea baoibo. Ini hagne shirmon waya nu. Ya pila seri bidun wala utiro. Seri bi olige lau. Birhule.
Ay.
Ya seri bidun lau. Ni kima litibiri egi nile yara ye. Kujara bila. Ocho bila wani. Maboge.
Well, mabuset na musu wegi. Você lo negi sunle ya be. Hawaii ya. But low band East City. East City is puro East City land. Why? Look at that. Look at Miss Ned. Miss Ned says she never hungry. But when she tastes the food, look what happened. Look what they do with the whole thing there. Look what kind of destruction they are causing, Miss Ned. Look at the destruction they are causing. Wow. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Straight out of Griga. Our people are here. We feel at home. Remember to share the live. You're on YouTube on DYFA Wabagari. You're also the food finally reached your country. We finally reached it. Huh?
Ramos.
Hey, no more test.
Yeah, in the car, right downstairs.
Okay. Well, we are still here. Then one was the classroom. Balisi, Indura Wadimal. Aye. Weird. The Rama. Far with the Mate would not. Miabira la dale lo, Biabia, you may get low, Wayano, or Wolf, Nahino, Rahiha, or Maestro, Low Hegano. Gale Bassano Bongo here.
Wait. Le frume ni habi ya aba na rengo lungo must have told the place le la do wa place le. Give it kate ya luwarini bungo. Anita bani wa do ya. Demeta bili magi rogi. Must have been aba bido ya. Wa place le. Ania igini le semet pro mi bet
Low got the lake in Mr.
Sian na rumbo laule.
Siabe Barry hello.
Ah, sian. Pero wigile. Gisatino.
All right.
Thank you, name.
Swear me. Nati. Boomer is saying, oh, dipsa. Hey, balegi nati.
Seremi, no piche, murusu kumwele nuya. Wani oche, habogu, wanigu, watemana. Lo, harufu tanya ho, irangi ayana, irara, zurumina. Sun, narini sun katili aluguido. So, agura patnati lo, afuna irangi ya,
Tume.
So, Laura can the leader, Seremi, Akili Negi.
Chairman Wayabo. I want to say good morning again, once again from Briga. We're here from Urume, 91.7 FM DYFA Garifuna radio station. Urume again, low Dan Briga, low Wadima, low Indura. I want to tell you.
Hatiwa ariha wa hamuti alida ke amu ya fulaso awaha ya ama nyuburi jaha lu harufu dunia harufu duni wa weigi keisi garina go meme gi maribati meme hamuga lu gawara lahidi disi o kensi rahanyo yage abalisi ondura ni wadimalu luga wara la kasubu dirana balisina wadimalu itara
Itaraluba. Sermon, no free. I want to say again, Salome Gutierrez with Pinafi, South Coast Rob with Pinafi, and again Nagamo to my Amaru. Manuf de Bante.
Hello.
Oh, sex Eba, Nato Gula, American, right? So before we talk, right? You see what happened to me just now?
What happened?
No, you fit right in.
But I'm supposed to.
Yeah, but I'm saying I'm trying to break it down to my viewers right now. What happened to me? This experience just now. You fit in. You fit right in. You know, I was just thinking, okay, right away, like you're from Honduras, Guatemala, but you're from.
But I am from everywhere.
Yes,
and
but
here.
I try, but I try to break it down to my audience to see what happened. You know that we are we.
Exactly.
Right? We are we.
Exactly.
Right? So why I automatically went into my Garifuna mode just now, right? In my language mode just
But
now,
that's okay.
unconsciously, right? But good morning.
Good morning.
How are
sir.
you today?
Midday. That is an indigenous way of saying I'm okay.
Okay. Say it again.
Midday.
Midday. See, I learned something again every minute.
I am here. Midday.
So no. Is this your first experience with this type of food?
No, we eat similar food all the time.
All right,
here.
good.
I'm an indigenous food. I am from a place called Sandy Bay.
I went there yesterday.
All right. So that's my village, home village. Our people were the ones who escaped from the British when they were rounding up people to ship them to Ballison. So we escaped and went to live in the mountains.
So that's me. My great grandfather
Exactly.
was slow.
No.
He was slow because the ones in Sandy Bay ran faster. They got over there. So my grandfather get catch because he was too slow.
No.
So your great grandfather was faster than my great grandfather.
I don't know about speed. I just think right.
But nonetheless, this experience has been something eye-opening for the world, for our people to even come closer together. You know, we were distanced just across oceans, but now we get closer. You know, and now with you meeting us again, once again, what is your feeling?
Hey, I'm here. I like it. I like the fact that my brethren have come home. I've always said we should be more unified. I hope we can work towards that unity because you all bring us back so much of what was lost to us. You went, you were sent away, you maintained many of your cultures intact. We stayed here and the British beat it out of us. They wouldn't let us speak a language, they wouldn't let us practice our religion. Okay? So it's nice for you to come back and to reconnect. We all have to reconnect with each other.
Okay, good. Well, I'm gonna leave it at that because lamad, that means I'm hungry.
All right.
I'm smelling all this
It's
food.
good food.
It's very, very, very good food. I don't want to eat no rice anymore. I don't want to eat no potato anymore. This is our food. All right. Thanks for your time.
Sure, it's a pleasure.
All right, good. Again, no don't hang on. Lamad na. Maybe I there musu. Yeah. Siya na de unungu. We know. But Engeben woman, your experience so far here in Yerumi.
Lau lupa fubongi malo bwidu wasigroni furone ni abi ya Yerumi ngibele nagombi aho aranse tina bian weya luye peniabi masusa redut meme kwa sunkate lidani bongi ligeti mabwidu le namiwa dobe lau furone weri tipini ogo sereme ngien lu hawagu adunde habanya chawa habaliwa yahu la degati lu hamofna buga ngien mitarala amure ya hamuga tuwiri bu wabi wa dunu wasigero no tanto ya tauti tuwiri bu idara lisamina wala lariha gule iseri guru ile yabe weri butu le deve se bungi on lau le da ubaf tau sundara du político bo tarayu le la laruna gamalumo lume la wadi maritu ni walu en la secret garifuna lu la ruf da hono tida sum luba frente weri guti tilira ke burinyi so o me bugunda ni no bugunda ni luago na hala abima de dan leya luago boy bugni baliso mage lani moga tagana gumeme bugno sarago kato anaga tu hifulasu wagana gua ni tikasu hitasu se redutura lu wakagu tu luago mama la wagia la ubaf gabure me la ubaf dagano toto to bo wadagano tawgo faranda habune to mama tawan.
I want to say thanks, Carlos. Thanks everybody for tuning in. Share this live. You know, this young man not tell me nothing. I want to hear for this young man right here. We said no na gambulon. The man not mole right now. Now you about over. I want to hear a few words from Miss Martin. And good morning.
Good morning.
How you feel today? How are you?
I'm fine.
You're Romanian.
I'm
Kingston?
no, I'm from Houston.
Houston. Okay, Houston, Texas. It's your first time here too?
This is my second time.
And what do you think about this experience?
I like it very much.
All
I
right.
said this is my second time.
So it'll be your third, your fourth, and your
It'll be a 20th.
Well, you know, when we took on this voyage, right? I call it a voyage. It kind of morphed into different things, right? And what has it morphed into for you?
Well, you see the broad spectrum of black people, Spanish-speaking people, the Garifuna language, English, just a broad spectrum. We're from everywhere.
I'm gonna leave it at that. Very powerful. We're from everywhere, and our strength is in our spirits and the spirits of our ancestors and God. So with that, nice talking to you. Have a wonderful day. Yeah. Wow. I'm on a few words, but it makes sense. Very powerful. I'm gonna leave it at that today, ladies and gentlemen, because I'm hungry and I don't want to share me out. I'm gonna get my amount right now. All right, now. Still here. Anigo Igini. No free. Ani go egini. Gumo sa amegi gitna. Ay ay ay. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, we're live. We're here at the Bulena Theory, Kingston Institute, and our people again, right? This is so special. We're teaching our people, giving them back their food. That makes us big and powerful. That's why we're so strong and smart, because we eat this type of food, right?
I'll bring this down. This is for Mindy, our security person, who's been so helpful for us and everything. And she wanted a taste, so it's something we're not going to forget about it.
Amanda got her share. Again. Well, where's that the best? Wudut? What wudut? Well, tofu frita. I gotta go, ladies and gentlemen, because they get ready for share me out, and I want to eat, so I have to go. All right, ayo.